China's way to progress. Important questions. Why has the world changed its attitudes toward China? The world has changed its attitude towards China because of its remarkable progress in every field of life. Its great population, its exemplary social experiments, its extraordinary agricultural and industrial advancement forced the world to change its attitude towards China. Next question. Discuss Chinese agriculture system. Agriculture system in China is based on communes which are further divided into production brigades and teams. With the Chinese traditional farming, agricultural machinery is also being introduced with considerable caution. Chinese peasants are kept on the spot and are being incorporated in local small industries. Next question. How does China rely on its own resources? The Chinese follow Mao's maxim, rely on your own forces. They prefer to use local machines as they are easily available. Chinese national machines and equipment replace the foreign machines. These machines produce bigger, faster, better, and cheaper results. Next question. Describe a day in the life of a Chinese student. Ji Wenxiu is a 16-year-old girl who lives in the workers' district of Pengpu at Shanghai. She represents the life of a Chinese student. Number 1. She gets up at 6 in the morning, does a few domestic tasks, takes her breakfast, and goes to school at 8 a.m. Number 2. During the break at 11 o'clock, she goes home and have lunch. Number 3. At 1:30 p.m. she resumes school again and stays there till 3 o'clock. Number 4. Then she learns her lesson at home. Number 5. From 4 o'clock on, she takes rest, reads newspapers, and listens radio. Number 6. She often goes out with her friends to play ping pong. Next question is, write a note on the Chinese women. From Western angle, Chinese women lack in femininity, but they claim to have more social benefits than that of Western women. They work 8 hours a day. They enjoy social security benefits, free hospitalization, free medical care, and 56 paid leaves on childbirth. What are the social security benefits provided to the Chinese workers? The Chinese workers enjoy many social security benefits. For example, housing is completely free. All medical and hospital treatment is also entirely free for them, while the members of their family pay 50% only. A sick worker receives his total pay for the first 6 months and then 60% of his salary. Each factory has a cafeteria for its workers and kindergartens for their children. Next question is, it is the people and not the things that are decisive. Discuss. Mao says, it is the people and not the things that are decisive. He believes in manpower than the power of technology. He thinks that population as a compact whole becomes a power. For instance, the contribution of $1 from each Chinese would make roughly $800 million. Moreover, the contribution of a day's work from each Chinese would mean 2 million extra laborers for 1 year without cost to the state. Next question is, the heart of the matter is the need to root out selfishness. Discuss. The Chinese believe that the heart of the matter is the need to root out selfishness and to bring into existence selfless and dedicated men whose happiness lies in serving their fellow men. In China, everybody is serving their fellow men. Due to exemplary social experiments, China has now become a compact whole and a powerful nation. Next question is, what are the modern evils that are absent in China? In Chinese model of society, there is a rejection of automobiles, advertising neon signs, use of alcohol and sex in the cities. It is a creation of new world and a new man. Next question is, how did China overcome the problem of overpopulation and migration of people from countryside? China overcame the problem of overpopulation and migration of the people from countrysides with political will, economic decentralization, and the agricultural mechanization. Agricultural mechanization was introduced with great caution so as to avoid upsetting the balance. The farmers were being accommodated in agricultural mechanization by adjusting them in local small industries of the villages. What did Mao say about Chinese women? According to Mao, Chinese women are holding up half the sky and they are determined to keep their half raised at the same height as that held up by men. What is meant by economic decentralization? Economic decentralization means simultaneous development of the cities and villages. The villagers also enjoy the same benefits as the urban do. Consequently, the villagers do not want to shift to the cities. Thanks for watching my video.